Welcome to my class. Introduction. Class Standard 9. Subject Mathematics. Chapter name Algebraic Expressions. Exercise 3.3 Lecture 2. Today's lesson to resolve into factors. Exercise 3.3. Today's start from 16 number. Ax square plus a square plus 1 into x plus a. Okay, resolve into factor this. So solution, this is a given condition. This equal to ax square, and after multiplying this we'll get a square x plus a. Now we can take common here ax and here 1. As a result, here will be x plus a and plus 1. After taking common, here will be x plus a. Now between these two terms, here is common x plus a. Okay, that's mean this equal to, we can write x plus a into ax plus 1. This is the required answer. Very easy math. Okay, now 18 number. A minus 1 into x square plus a square into xy plus a plus 1 into y square. Solution, this is a given condition. We can let a minus 1 is equal to p. This is equation number 1, and another term here is a plus 1, so we can let a plus 1 this equal to q. This is equation number 2. Now multiplying 1 and 2, we can write a minus 1 into a plus 1, and right side will be pq. Now this equal to, we can write a square minus 1. Here formula a plus b into a minus b. That's mean a square minus b square. As b mean 1, so here will be only 1, and right side will be pq. Therefore a square this equal to pq plus 1. Therefore the given expression will be p into x square, because a minus 1 mean p, plus a square mean pq plus 1. That's mean pq plus 1 into x into xy plus qy square. Q mean a plus 1. A plus 1 mean q. So we can write here q into y square. Okay, now this equal to, we can write px square, and after multiplying this and this will get pqxy plus xy plus qy square. Now we can take common between these two terms, px. As a result, here will be only x and here will be qy plus, after taking common here y, here will be x plus qy. Okay, now this equal to, we can write x plus qy into px plus y. That's mean this and this common, left px plus y. Now putting the value of q and p, q is equal to a plus 1 and p is equal to a minus 1. That's mean x plus a plus 1 into y into a minus 1 into x plus y. This equal to, we can write x plus a y plus y into ax minus x plus y. This is the required answer. Clear, student? Okay. Now example 27. Resolve into factors 8 x cube plus 36 x square y plus 54 xy square plus 27 y cube. Solution, this is a given condition. Now this equal to, we can write 2x whole cube. 2x whole cube mean 8x cube plus 3 into a square. A square mean 2x whole square plus b mean here 3y, because 27y cube mean 3y whole cube. We can write this, no problem, plus 3ab square. A mean 2x, b mean 3y whole square plus b cube. That's mean a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. this equal to, we can write a plus b whole cube. A mean 2x, b mean 3y, so 2x plus 3y whole cube. Now this equal to, we can write also 2x plus 3y into 2x plus 3y into 2x plus 3y. This is the required answer. Clear, student? Okay, and follow this. You can easily solve in your book exercise 3.3, 19, 20, 21 and 22. Follow this method, you can easily solve. Okay, now follow another example. Example number 23. Resolve into factors. A to the power 4 plus 64 b to the power 4. So this equal to, we can write a square whole square plus 8b square whole square. As here is 4, here is also 4, so this equal to, we can write this. Now this equal to, we can write direct this formula, or we can use this here, a square plus 2a square into 8b square. A square mean here a, and 8b square mean here b. So a square plus 2ab plus b is square. B mean 8b is square minus 16a square b square, because here is 2 into 8 means 16, and a square b square means 16a square b square. Here is taken, but in this equation here is no 16a square b square. So for vanishing this, we have to take minus 16a square b square. As a result, this makes a formula a plus b whole square. Okay, and this equal to, we can write 4ab whole square. A plus b whole square mean a square plus 8b square whole square. Okay, because here a mean a square, b mean 8b square. Now this equal to, we can write a plus b into a minus b, because here is formula a square minus b square. So a plus b, a mean this plus b mean 8 4ab into a minus b, a mean a square plus 8b square, b mean 4ab. Now write in arrange a square plus 4ab plus 8b square, and in similar way we can write here a square minus 4ab plus 8b square. This is the required answer. Clear, student? Follow this. You can easily solve in your book 23 and 24. Okay. Now 25 number. 4a square plus 1 by 4a square minus 2 plus 4a minus 1 by a. Solution, this is a given condition. This equal to, we can write 2a whole square plus 1 by 2a whole square. As here is only minus 2, so we can take here minus 2 into a into b. A mean 2a, b mean 1 by 2a. 2a cut will get minus 2, no problem. As a result, here makes a formula a square plus b square minus 2ab, or this equal to, we can write also a square minus 2ab plus b is square. Okay, plus 4a minus 2 into 1 by 2a for making this. Okay, we can take here 2, or for taking common 2, we can write like this way. As a result, from here we can easily common 2, because 2 to cut will get 1 by a. So 1 by a, this equal to, we can write this, no problem. Now this makes a formula a minus b whole square. A mean this, b mean this, plus here common 2. As a result, 2a minus 1 by 2a. Between this 2 also common, 2a minus 1 by 2a. Okay, so here left 2a minus 1 by 2a plus 2. This is a required answer. Clear? Now 27 number. This is a given condition, x plus 2 into x plus 3 into x plus 4 into x plus 5 minus 48. This is given condition. Now write in arrange here. At first write x plus 1 into x plus 5, and this two term write here minus 48. Now multiplying this x plus a into x plus b, this equal to, we can write x square plus a plus b into x. A plus b mean 2 plus 5, that means 7x plus AB means 2 into 5, that means 10. We know this formula. That's mean this equal to, we can write x square plus 7x plus 10, and this equal to, we can write x square plus 7x plus 12 minus 48. Now let x square plus 7x plus 10 is equal to a. Therefore x square plus 12, 7x plus 12 is equal to x square plus 7x plus 10 plus 2. That's mean this equal to a and plus 2. Okay. Therefore the given expression will be this equal to a, so a, and this equal to a plus 2 minus 48. Clear? And multiplying this will get a square plus 2a minus 48. Now middle factor, we can write this equal to a square plus 8a minus 2a, because after calculating this, that's mean after adding plus 8a minus 6a mean plus 2a, and 6 and plus 8 makes minus 48, and this a after multiplying will get a square. So middle term breaking is correct. Now take common, here a is common, so here will be a plus 8, and here 6 is common, so here will be a plus 8. Now this equal to, you can write a plus 8 into a minus 6. This equal to a mean x square plus 7x plus 10 plus 8, and here x square plus 7x plus 10 minus 6. Now this equal to, you can write x square plus 7x plus 18 into x square plus 7x plus 4. This is the required answer. Okay student. Now 29 number. This is a given condition. 2b square c square plus 2c square a square plus 2a square b square minus a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4 minus c to the power 4. Solution, this is a given condition. Now this equal to, we can write 4a square b square, as here is plus 2a square b square, but we have taken here 4a square b square, so we have to subtract minus 2a square b square. Okay, as a result, after calculating this and this, we will get this. The others part all are same. As a result, formula will make. Okay, this part fixed. Now here can take common minus. As a result, here will be a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus c to the power 4 plus 2a square b square minus 2b square c square minus 2c square a square. And this equal to, you can write this part fixed, but this equal to, you can write a square whole square plus b square whole square plus c minus c square whole square, because here is this and this are minus, so we have to convert either b or c will be minus. Okay, so for making formula, we have taken here minus c square whole square. Minus whole square mean plus, no problem, and c square whole square means c to the power 4. So this equal to, we can write this, and plus 2ab, a mean a square into b square, plus 2 into bc, b mean b square, c mean minus c square, plus 2 into ca, c mean minus c square, a mean a square. Okay, now this equal to, we can write here 2ab whole square, and this equal to, we can write a square plus b square minus c square whole square. Okay, that's mean a square minus b square. A square minus b square mean a plus b into a minus b. A mean 2ab, b mean a square plus b square minus c square. So this plus this into this minus this. This minus this mean minus a square minus b square plus c square. Okay, now follow a plus b whole square minus c square, and here will be c square minus a minus b whole square. Again follow before line. This line equal to, we can write a square plus b square plus 2ab, or we can write a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here after taking c square first, then here will be a, after taking here common minus a square plus b square minus 2ab. So here will be c square minus a minus b whole square, and here will be a plus b whole square minus c square. That's mean this line. Okay, that's mean a plus b whole square minus c square, and here c square minus a minus b whole square. Now this makes a formula a square minus b square, and here also this formula a square minus b square. As a result, here will be a plus b into a minus b, and here will be a means c, b means a minus b, so a plus b into a minus b. Okay, this is the required answer, or we can write in arrange. That's mean this equal, we can write a plus b plus c into a plus b minus c, and this equal to, we can write here b plus c minus a. That's mean this term, and this equal to, we can write same, that's mean c plus a minus b. Now this equal to, we can write this part fixed. Here will be a plus, sorry, b plus c minus a. That's mean at first take here a, then b, then c. So this part complete. Here c plus a minus b, and here a plus b minus c. This is the required answer. Clear, student? Okay. Now homework will be exercise 3.3, 16 up to 31 left all. I think that everybody will solve easily. Okay. Date of submission 6/7/2021. Time 11 AM. Okay. Today up to this. Thank you to all everyone.